Alright, today I'm going to show off our new to us method of popping popcorn. So I have in the popcorn bowl about 2 scoops, so 1 cup I believe of popcorn kernels and about 2 tablespoons of just vegetable oil. Then I'm using a pizza grate, a pizza shelf rack, whatever they're called. And then I have a pair of vice grips on one side, a pair of vice grips on the other side to lock that into place. Now, normally I will also use a screen, an oil screen, to just make sure that the oil doesn't splash up onto my fingers, but you can't see that. So I will take one for the team, not use this today, and I will just show what we're doing. Like I said, there's just popcorn and oil right now, so we'll turn the gas on, get it lit, and it's literally this easy. You just stir. It's not the fastest method of popcorn, but it is actually faster than microwaving. And at first, while the oil's cold, it doesn't necessarily want to move the popcorn very much, but once the oil heats up, it'll stir a little bit better. In fact, I'm going to let that focus and try taking it off onto manual. There, that's better. And heating in the beginning isn't the biggest issue because you're just warming everything up, but as you get going it becomes more and more important. The fuller the bowl gets with popped corn, the more full the bowl gets with popped corn. So I'm going to just keep recording and let this go live because I want the timer actually. Once the first ones pop, I will also turn the heat down because at that point I don't want to risk burning any. One of the beauties about this method is that there is almost no old maids. It's probably a good time to mention that we have found regular popcorn is fine, but what tastes amazingly good is the heritage heirloom varieties that are sold on Amazon as Amish popcorn. There's a bunch of different ones. The blue is my favorite and the mushroom is Emily's favorite. We aren't affiliated with them in any way, shape, or form, but we bought them one year and we planted them the next year and harvested them the next that following season. So they're definitely worth buying because they taste amazing and they will actually grow what they are supposed to be. So you can see now, it's like firecrackers. We keep those particular vice grips specifically for popcorn. And we have wonderfully hot, delicious popcorn. Even with the... I'm a bit of a purist. I love popcorn by itself. I could sit and eat this whole bowl without flinching. The wife does like butter and salt. So, I'll go ahead and melt about 2 tablespoons or so of some butter. And then we have this stuff. The homemade popcorn salt. Made a post a couple of days ago about how to actually make this. This was made with a home grinder, a non-electric mason jar top grinder, and the recipe is in there. It is amazing stuff. If you want salt on your popcorn, this is fantastic. But there you go. So I guess it took about 7 or so, 8 minutes for the actual popcorn process. So a little longer. I take that back. About the same amount of time in the microwave. This is obviously double or triple batch compared to what you get out of a microwave bag. But there's nothing in it but popcorn, soon to be butter, and then some home smoked salt with some spices. You cannot beat this. No movie theater holds a candle to it. No bag of popcorn holds a candle to it. It is just one of the best things in the world. Nutritionally, there's no difference in eating this from eating a piece of corn. You just get to enjoy this more. So as long as you're controlling what you put on it. Oh yeah, see, I could just totally sit and eat this. Although the Amish popcorn, like I said, that blue is amazing. Has a sweet nuttiness to it. The mushroom is almost wholeless. We ordered the variety pack that had 10 different flavors. We ate all of them but one. The lady fingers, we had an air popper at the time, and they were just so tiny, such tiny kernels that the air popper couldn't pop them. And they didn't taste bad. They tasted kind of like the regular popcorn, but it was, I believe that one was a wholeless one. So we gave that to a neighbor. But we ate all of the rest of the 9. And we planted the blue and the mushroom and harvested them. And we're absolutely thrilled and amazed. So we plan on doing the same thing. We'll buy some here in the not too distant future and save some for next year. And have a variety of popcorns in our on our property. Anyway, God bless. Stay safe.